Hi, in today's video I'll talk about ESL literacy, namely how to create activities to bring children to read independently. I'm Mia and I'm the moderator in the teachers community of English teachers who teach young children English as their second language. If you'd like to be part of it, details how to enroll are in the video description below. But right now, let's find all about English second language literacy. Did you say all? Of course, not all, because kids in the video clip are 8 years old. And in the past 2 years, they have developed basic pre-literacy and social skills that are prerequisites to what you'll see in the video. So in the past, they have covered how to read illustrations and how to cooperate with one another. Working in groups is really handy if you have a big class. Other than that, the steps shown in the clip are pretty much it. So, if you're ready, let's dive in. What is this?
A book.
A book. And what is this?
A book.
And in the book here, this is a story. This here is a story about the fox. And this is a story about
Winter holiday. Snowflake.
This is a story in a book. This is also a story, but this is a story on the paper. So this is a story about the snowflake mummy and the snowflake patty. What about here?
This is a story about snowflake daddy, snowflake mom, snowflake brothers, and snowflake sister.
My snowflakes live up on a cloud. Where do your snowflakes live?
Snowflake Spiky live up in the cloud.
Just one?
Clouds.
Up on the clouds. Not Mummy, just Patty. Patty wants to have a winter holiday. Look at my finger. One day, Snowflake Patty jumps off.
Jumps off.
Excellent.
Jumps off.
Good.
Jump off. Jump off. Jumps off. Snowflake sister jumps off
Where? Jumps off.
a cloud.
Up here, you have 3 words. See? What does it say here? S, T, O, R, E. This yellow is E. So, S, T, O, R, E. Story. I. Well done. This zigzag here is I. Let's do it again.
I-E. Spiky.
Well done.
F-A-M-I-L-E. Family.
Wow. This and this and this is what you read. So, this is a
Story
about
Spiky
and his
family.
Oh. Which word are you going to choose?
Freezy.
Freezy.
Oh,
Okay,
yes,
find
yes.
Freezy in the book. Isn't it? Oh, so what do you need to read? Can you read it?
Freezy and Flyky.
Not flyky?
Flyke.
No. First, take the book and see. Freezy and...
flake.
Is this I?
Yes.
Is it really?
A flake,
So read it here.
frizzy and flake.
That's right. If you would like to implement literacy into your class, join us in our community. We do not only help each other out when we stumble upon the challenge, but we also have all the material ready for you. And not just that, we host professionals, experts on topics that we still need to learn about. The description of how to sign up to our community you can read in the video description below. And while you're at it, sign up to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to ring the bell, because that way you'll be notified when a new video is out.